Just 2 tablespoons are enough to make toilet stains and limescale disappear. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. There's a simple and effective solution, and everything you need is already at home. Start by grabbing a small plastic container. Pour in about 2 cups of water. Warm water works best. Add 3 tablespoons of citric acid. This natural descaler breaks down limescale, rust, and other buildup without harsh chemicals. Next, add a bit of dish soap. It cuts through grime and grease and, combined with the citric acid, creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning mix. Stir well until the citric acid fully dissolves. Now it's ready to use. Soak a few pieces of paper towel in the mixture. Then place them all around the toilet bowl, especially under the rim. That's where limescale builds up the most. The paper helps keep the solution in place where liquid alone would normally run off. Once the bowl is lined with soaked paper, pour the remaining mixture directly onto the sides of the bowl. Leave everything for about an hour. After that, remove the paper and wipe the bowl clean. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh store-bought cleaners. Just a cheap, safe, and natural way to make your toilet sparkle. You'll never go back to chemical cleaners again.